Bala talks about Ayushmann Khurrana, who was Bala and who was almost bald, and he had inferiority complex, and he used to actually wear a wig most of the time. And he also tried home treatment, like somebody said that you get cow, buffalo, cow dung, and what all other Ayurvedic medicine, liquid and all that, and he tried everything, which used to even stink at times, but still there was no regrowth. And there was Yami Gautam, who was Pari and who was into the modeling business, and she had a superficial state of mind. She was attracted by exterior beauty, and she was actually attracted by his physical presence, by Bala's appearance, because with hair he used to look good, and this was her criteria, that since she was a model, she will marry only a handsome man. And he tried to tell her that he is bald, but the message which he sent before marriage was sent to some other place by mistake, and on the wedding night it was revealed that he is bald. Actually, Latika, his friend, childhood friend, she had a skirmish altercation with him, by which Pari came to know that he is bald, and then this marriage was almost called off. She left the house, and there was a court case, and since Latika was advocate, Bala requested her to fight the case, and the case was fought, and he was also told that he should love himself. Latika told him that unless you love yourself, nobody is going to love you. Acceptance of oneself seemed to be very crucial. But I would like to differ on this. If you are fat, how will you fat, or maybe black-skinned, or you are dyslexic, or you have few very you can say your features are not good, how will you accept yourself? Of course you will not like yourself. So even if I don't know, I beg to differ on this, since everyone is the best judge of one's own self, and there is only scope for improvement when you find something has to be changed. If you are very comfortable with your state, see, few things cannot be changed, color of the skin or features, but at least this physical appearance can be changed. If one is obese, one can work out, and if one accepts oneself as one is, he or she will stop working out and will instead take to eating a lot of food, oily food, etc., etc. Moral of the story: first learn to accept yourself, but yes, acceptance is crucial. But remember one thing: acceptance on all grounds will lead to complacency, and you will never try to improve upon yourself. 4 stars.